Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need two essentials: the latest iOS and the newest WhatsApp build so features match. First, open WhatsApp and go to Settings, then Chats to check for an in-app appearance or theme option. Use that if available because it controls only WhatsApp. If you don't see an in-app theme, make sure your iPhone system appearance is set to dark in Settings, Display, and Brightness. WhatsApp will follow the system and switch automatically. This gets you started immediately. Now enable the dark option. If WhatsApp shows appearance, pick dark for the app only or system to follow your phone. That's useful when you want automatic switching. If you rely on the iPhone setting, open Settings, Display, and Brightness and tap dark. WhatsApp reads that and adopts dark colors for text, backgrounds, and controls, which reduces glare and saves battery on OLED screens. Once done, force quit and reopen WhatsApp if visuals don't refresh immediately, so the theme loads correctly. Finish by matching your chat wallpaper and keyboard so everything looks consistent. Go to Settings, Chats Wallpaper, and choose a darker background to avoid contrast issues. Make sure keyboard apps support dark mode or toggle their settings separately. Sometimes media previews keep light backgrounds until the app restarts. If the theme still won't stick, back up your chats to iCloud, reinstall WhatsApp, then restore. That clears corrupted caches and forces the correct appearance. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.